Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litra Z School, Jhansi. Today we are continuing 6th chapter of Business Studies of class 12th. As you are seeing on my whiteboard, I have already mentioned certain terms which you are seeing on my whiteboard. That is internal recruitment and external recruitment. In my previous lectures, I have discussed about staffing, recruitment, selection process, internal and external source of recruitment. Today I am going to discuss what is the difference between internal and external source of recruitment. So before starting this, I would like to say that there are three components of staffing: recruitment, selection and training. We are dealing with recruitment. So what is recruitment? Recruitment means inducing or attracting more and more candidates to apply for vacant jobs in the organization. In general words, recruitment means search for candidates who can perform the vacant role and induce themselves to apply and come forward for filling the vacant job role. Now, let us take us the difference between internal and external source of recruitment. So as you are seeing on my whiteboard, I have already mentioned 5 differences between internal and external recruitment. So starting with first BOD, that is meaning. Internal recruitment means making use of existing staff to fill up the vacant job position in the institution. Whereas external source means making use of new personals or outsider to fill up the vacant job position in the institution. Second BOD is time. While internal recruitment require very less time, so it is less time consuming. Whereas external recruitment requires more time, so it is time consuming concept. Third, which is economical. So internal recruitment is more economical as it does not involve any cost of searching of new external sources. Whereas external source is very costly one, because you have to notify your advertisement in any newspaper, magazines or channel. So it is costlier process comparing to internal recruitment. Now the fourth difference, as you are seeing on my whiteboard, quality. Talking about internal recruitment, there is limited access or choice, so better quality may not be assumed. As you know, internal recruitment have narrow concept. There are limited or selected choices which are available. But talking to external recruitment, it gives us a wide opportunity, a wider concept for selecting one of the best and competent candidate for filling the vacant job position in the institution. And talking about the last basis of difference between internal and external recruitment, that is morale of the employee. It is one of the most important difference between internal and external recruitment. According to this point, in internal recruitment, it boosts up the morale of the employee because existing staff member get a chance of promotion, so their attachment, loyalty and sincerity will automatically get enhanced. Whereas in external recruitment, this method brings down the morale of the employee as they do not get any chance of growth and development. So we can say that by doing external recruitment, there is demoralization of existing employees. Their loyalty and sincerity for job is get disturbed. whereas in internal recruitment it is boost up. So students, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.